What's happening and what's going to happen to mortgage rates? Anywhere I go, this is the question I'm being asked. People know that I do mortgages. Obviously, that is a question on the mind of many because it directly affects the affordability to buy a home or refinance. So it's not that simple. The mortgage rates today, and they have been in the past 3 months, you can see this documented by a chart above me, are anywhere between 6 to 7%. They have come down slightly in the past week or so, as you can see. See how it's going down in the past week, but not significantly. The rates are a function of pretty much two things. It's labor, meaning the economy, how economy is doing. Are companies firing people? And then the second, of course, is the inflation. So the first one is, the economy, US economy. Being that it's very resilient, the companies are really not firing in masses. Business is good, everybody's busy, and companies are, by the way, are still hiring. So the labor market did not fail. So when that starts to break a little bit, that's when the rates usually follow. So that part hasn't happened yet, and hopefully it's not going to be so bad, because if that happens, we might enter what's called a recession. So there is a balance that we need to follow. And then the second thing is obviously the inflation. Inflation has been better, has been more contained, but therefore there are talks that the Federal Reserve will likely lower the short-term rates that affect car loans and home equity lines of credit, student loans, and just personal credit loans. The rates on your home equity line of credit, those might be coming down as soon as the end of this month, end of July of 2025. I also forgot to mention, obviously, it's very political. So when the midterm elections come at the end of next year, at the end of 2026, maybe for political reasons, rates will go down just to help one party compared to the other one. So I actually predict that this is going to be a major factor, and in 2026 rates will be lower than they are now. So let's see. Hopefully this was helpful. Please comment. I'd like to know your predictions and why you think the rates might change in the coming months. And we'll see you soon.